If you want to unlink your Yahoo Mail account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your accounts are separated. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left sidebar, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and services connected to your Facebook account. Step 4. Find Yahoo Mail. Scroll through the list of connected apps until you locate Yahoo Mail. Click on it to view the details of the connection. Step 5. Remove Yahoo Mail. After selecting Yahoo Mail, click on the Remove button. Confirm your choice when prompted to unlink your Yahoo Mail account from Facebook. After completing these steps, your Yahoo Mail account will be successfully unlinked from Facebook. If you have any issues, consider checking Facebook's Help Center for further assistance.